Hi guys, and today we are checking out another project, and this one is called Units.network. So you could go into the website. This one is a DAO-based EVM chain factory. Launch your own blockchain with ease, powered by a decentralized community and DAO governance. Okay. In here, guys, okay, infinite chains, infinite scalability, all interconnected. So layer one network, one more network, and then layer one units DAO. Okay, layer zero waves network. So basically, this is like a sample chain. Units.network is a modular blockchain ecosystem designed to enable infinite scalability and seamless interoperability across all connected chains. Okay, powered by Waves. Okay, in here empowering users through decentralized governance. Units.network is driven by its community. Okay, stake. Okay, we have one stake unit zero tokens. Okay, and then vote on treasury allocations and track project success. You can check in here, guys. Okay, this is like your sample data. Blockchain in a few clicks. Deploy your own customizable blockchain with Units.network's factory of chains. Tap into our layer zero infrastructure to ensure scalability, interoperability, and security from day one. So you check in here, guys. Okay. Learn more and then start building. Discover top projects. Explore Unit Zero integration. So dive into the leading projects seamlessly integrated with the Unit Zero network. Okay. We have here Crosscurve, DAP Asterism, Subquery. We have here Waves Bridge. Okay, explore other projects that are available in here. Submit your projects to deploy a new chain within the Units network ecosystem. So expand your vision with Units network. Okay, you could request in here for the deployment, and then what are you waiting for? Whether you're a user, developer, or project founder, Units network has something for you. Start exploring today. Okay, so you can check them all in here, guys, including for their social media. So in here, guys, on their social media, we have it in here. Units network raises 10 million US dollar to accelerate ecosystem growth. Coming, okay, in here, secures funding from Nimbus Capital, a global investor focused on cross-border blockchain deals with a 1.3 billion US dollar. More than, guys, more than or greater than 1.3 billion US dollar in AUM, nimbuscapital.io. The funding will activate, okay, the following, guys: AI Launchpad to help builders deploy smarter apps, AI Liquidity Manager for efficient autonomous markets, more grants to kickstart high impact projects on units. The future is on chain. It's intelligent. Okay. So you can find out more in here. Make sure to check out on their Twitter as well. And then click on this blog, guys, and you will be directed into this blog. Okay, so you could read some of the information that will be available in here. So we have it in here. Waves.blog, okay, Nimbus, we have it in here. Units network raises 10 million for AI blockchain. Okay, this is the article. And if you want to check, guys, here is Nimbus.capital as well. Nimbus Capital, guys, okay, we are at the homepage. Building bridges in global investments, specializing in cross-border transactions and transformative investment that drive innovation and growth. Okay, you can check them in here. Your partner is strategic investments that is available in here. This is their website, portfolio. You can check them all in here. Okay, strategic alliances for a stronger future. They have Tron Labs in on. You can check them all in here. Investing in growth, driving impact with more than 100 years of collective experience, 1.2 billion AUM, 500 million okay deployed. So you could get in touch in terms of this one. This is their offices for Nimbus Capital, guys. So if you are interested, guys, in terms of this project, you could explore in terms of the website, get started, whether you're a builder, okay, this is the ecosystem, and you could also, guys, okay, check them in here, Crosscurve, okay, Dextool, I think this SwapFi, okay, this one, and you could click in here to join now, guys, as, okay, down unit zero dev. You could check them all in here, okay, added EVG and PN. So there's a lot of things that you could explore, guys, in terms of recent, active, executed, past, and you could check them all in here. Or you could submit okay, your proposal in here if you are a project as well, guys. So make sure, guys, to check out for this one. We have Units Network, and they were able to raise, guys, okay, 10 million US dollar, okay, coming from Units Network, okay. This is Units Network that were able to raise capital coming from Nimbus Capital, guys. Okay, nimbuscapital.io. So make sure to check out for this one. Okay, this is Units Network. So again, guys, check out for this one. Make sure that you subscribe in terms of the channel. Follow for more. Okay, and also, guys, you could check them in terms of their announcement. They have more than 1 million on their Telegram. Okay, Units.network announcement. I think this is public. Look, you can check this one. And then Units Digest, we have some announcement. Okay, the second claim is live. They have partnerships announcement in here. Wala Swap. We have in here, okay, the announcement for the 10 million to accelerate the ecosystem. Partnership with Units and Asterism. You can check them in here as well. And then Units Digest, all of the things that you need to learn. Okay, Koala Swap, Unilend, Unit Zero, and Asterism partnership. It's all in here. And this is, I think, the latest one, Unis Black Wallet, and you could check them all in here, guys, in terms of their announcement. So make sure you follow them as well in terms of their Telegram announcement. Okay, this is all in here. You could check them. Okay, Units.network announcement on their Telegram. Okay, you could check them in here. So again, guys, this is Units Network. Make sure to check out for this project. Subscribe, follow for more. Let's go.